Hello, my name is Chris, and today we're going to take a quick look at how to display data with a funnel chart using Microsoft Excel. First, select the different levels of educational attainment and the percentages in your data set. Then go to the Insert tab on the menu bar and click on the waterfall chart icon. A drop-down menu will appear. There you'll choose the funnel chart. And just like that, Excel creates a funnel chart for you. First, I will drag on the corner of the chart to increase its size so it's easier to work with. Then I'll add the title by simply copying and pasting the title from the spreadsheet. Next, I'm going to double-click on the Y-axis labels, which will open up the Format Axis dialog box on the right-hand side. I will choose the Fill and Line tab and then select No Line for a cleaner look. Now, I have a funnel chart that shows the sequential reduction of educational attainment in the United States.